Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
State President ke NPP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ulapan pa wa ka jingkhang menti yo Dewïong Hajante Hills kalong kumbakhang ya kabam kadi na kabanta ki nong shnong kathan habakran mikilal pathai khobor menta ka sing ka shitarek unai lur arajar ar pulai Dr. Kharlukhi ulai thu bola ai ki kot kisla ha parliament ban bentep bo Dewïong uba wan rilum jantia ude uba ai jakpo eki bat ka donru ko hok eki kat kum ki fundamental rights bat ban khang yu Dewïong uba long kum ka kam na kabanta jong ki kalong kumbakang ni kabam kadi bat kani kalakta eki nolor ka taw lo ang baka sarkar pedeng ka khlam pat khat bhai ke e ka ban jai ki nok sok snong ki ba im jakpo na ka jingti yu Dewïong ka khlam kali ka nu ka jinglot ka dan haba kala dep khang yu Dewïong bat ka khlam ai ba yu lot ksan hiru ha ka por ba ka khang ha ka ju ko por Dr. Kharlukhi lo ang ba omlong persha ya ka jingti yu Dewïong namar ki brio jong u ki don kam ban im haba juba balor ketika kam bakalong bian u Dr. Kharlukhi ula benrap da kabaong malasau post nam la pentre ka jingti u Dewïong bat haba pet iki bri ka bala start menta ki keno bat khot iki bade ki Trai par Dewïong de ki Mafia henrei kim tip tang ya ka Jingmut jong ka kentian Mafia bat ki dei kini ki jo ki bri ki baha kerta ka badang khana ki dei bantre ha kini ki par Dewïong ban besa ya ka yeng kasam bat anda ki la rius pa kin sa sedang ban sung thu bagani ka jingti u Dewïong ka de ka babian habakran halor ka jingjia babun ki badu no e ka jingem na ka jingrung jong ki shapo ki kram Dewïong u Dr. Kharlukhi lo ang ka jinglet ki brio ban rung shikitu ki kram kadai namar ba kimban si ban yo kamai shu Dr. Kharlukhi lo ang ru balada bu da kita ki jok sayan ban pentrei ha ka banti u Dewïong hendai ka long ka badai banti u Dewïong bat am dei ban khang.
You see, the thing is like this. This is not the stand of the government, but my stand. Throughout, I have been given in papers that coal for us people coming from giant hills, it is our livelihood. It is enshrined in as a fundamental rights, and denying coal mining for my people from my district, which we have been practicing for nearly 4 decades, is like denying food for our people. How much it has affected the people there. I'm always for coal mining. That's why I said, okay, you start with your whatever coal mining, but at least my people should have to survive.
But you cannot do illegal things, no?
Illegal things, for 40 years they have been doing this. Now one fine day you realize, when my people are poor, nobody realizes. You know, if you look at those people whom people here, educated people here call them coal baron or mafia, they don't even know the meaning of that coal baron or mafia. Did you ever ask why? Because they could not have education at that age. Those same people, when they were 9, 10, 11 years old, in those days, we may not have bonded laborers, but they were walking to feed their family. Only when they are rich, then these people start realizing. You see, rat hole, coal mining, people are dying. It was after the ban. Then, what happened? Tell me the story about that which happened in Sutanga area. Why those boys have to go to that rat hole, which is not safe. That time they were having this church meeting, no, in their area. So whenever you have a church meeting like a presbytery or a district, you have to feed people. They don't have money, so they risk their life because they don't have anything, because they have stopped mining. You see, coal mining, it doesn't mean that only the rich people. From this area where the truck has started, it has served so many along the lines. If you say this Kong who selling kwai, at that particular time, chalan was also sold by those boys who help themselves in education. Then those who are selling, tea and jalo and ja and all this, all along the way. And not only that, is even serving the people here who are selling their clothes and whatever thing in Shillong. It has served. It's an economy for the state. So it was stopped. Just one question. Unluckily, because of this thing, twice I was given a chance, but because of the problem in the parliament, I could not raise it. We have pollution in Delhi. pollution in Delhi, especially in the winter time, was caused by what? A stubble burning. NGT was in Delhi. And I have raised a question in Parliament. It was not only disease related, it was death related. Human being. I'm not talking of fish or animals. Human being. Why nothing was done? Something should be done also there, no? And entity is there in Delhi. Wrong. What I said is that yes, you are doing it here. You should do it there also, no?
So then why did not challenge for the last?
You see, I've tried to raise it in Parliament, but I could not get it because of 2 times it was listed, but it was not there. I was trying to show this, that well, you have done here, why not you are doing here also?
So what is
It doesn't mean that just because we are far away and then you can do whatever you like with us. No?
But your government is adhering to the certain suggestions of the.
Yes, that's why I said now the thing is they are suggesting that we'll have that scientific mining. They are going for that. But what we need is that it had to be mined, no, just this mine should not stop, no. Because that's why I'm saying for 40 years we have been doing this. And one fine day you just stop us. Without thinking, or less, at least central government should offer that, well, this is how much your people are losing, take this money. That also was not offered to us. You just stop like that, just because we are far away in the northeast. It should not be like that. We are very much part of the great India. Government is trying to help. I will not say that. So every central government, they are helping us. But like these certain things which happen, and I happen to be there, I know, I grew up there and I know the people. With the coming of coal, how much has changed the economy of my people? Before coal, what happened? So that's why it really hurts me.